But she's not around. Ayan, 30 million viewers, shout out. Best regards from Europe, Croatia. Oh. Kailangan ang ampalaya is not too much cook. Not overcook and not half cook. I do not like the bitter gourd na half cook siya. Sakto lang. When it's already soft, I'm gonna pour the yaya or eggs. Vegetable. Today is a vegetables day. These are from the kangkong. That's there. La, 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 la. 90 million viewers, shout out. Best regards from Europe, Croatia. And now I'm gonna put little pepper. Small amount. Just a little. Angela, Obiek Angela Sok. Atin is Drabo. Yan, oriental na oyster sauce. Ito pa, nidagan pang takob guys. Buhi pang takob. Yummy. Oh, this day. 19 million viewers, shout out. So this is a Filipino food, guys. This is kang with tuna in can. And later we're gonna put this. This is a bitter gourd saute or ampalaya. Later I'm gonna put eggs. And this one. Yeah, Sisi, my God, dami kong utang sa'yo. Yeah, vegetables day. So, meron akong mga gulay na, you know, Filipino Filipino gulay. So, ito siya, konti lang. Ito yung kangkong na may tuna in can. At ayan, on fire pa ang ating palaya. So, lagyan ko lang siya ng egg, 3 itlog. And meron tirang isda kahapon. Kahapon ba yan? Yes, kahapon. Ayan.